We're now here at the Tanglewood Mall. Shinra Houghton Escalator. Here we go. We're gonna go up. Look right there. There's a water thing right there. And there's a lot more places. This escalator is kind of good. Oh, it squeaks when we're close. What? Now we're gonna go down. Again, take another look. Shinra Houghton. Over there's the glass elevator, so here we go. And the good Tanglewood Mall is here. There's the Dover elevator. Alright. But now we're gonna ride the elevator. This is a Dover elevator. It works really well, and it's one of my favorite elevators. Alright, let's go in. Go to 2. Here we go. There's the escalators again. Here we are on 2. Now we'll go down to 1. There's my brother riding on the up escalator. This is kind of fast. Oh, it's shaking. Here we are at 1. Alright, we'll go up one more time. And this time we'll stand here and watch this. Keep going. Sorry about I got out. Because there's someone going on the elevator. I'll show you we're going down in a minute, but look at this up here. Here's the good Tanglewood Mall. Alright, I think it's a perfect time to push the button to go back down the elevator. Alright. My brother keeps riding escalators. Alright. So it'll be coming up in a minute, and I'm waiting for it. Here it comes. I can see the lines. I'm gonna point the camera down. Alright, let's go back in. And go to 1, and we'll end the video. One of my favorite elevators in Roanoke, Virginia. But my favorite one might be at the Science Museum. Alright, once it close. There it goes, and that's it.